Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can set up your digital products on your Wix.com website. So start off from the dashboard here, and I want you to scroll down and then go to here, Catalogs, Store Products, Products. On Products, click on New Product, and then make sure to select this digital file since we're setting up a digital product. And there's a lot you'll need to put in here. Let's start off from the image. I'm going to do image. I'm just going to do this random blob of colors. And I'm going to name the product. I'm going to call it ebook. And the ribbon E. The description is ebook. I'm going to skip image and videos. I'm going to price it at 1111, 1111 as well. So hold on, 11111. The cost of click 11111. So it can generate a margin for me. I'm going to track inventory, but we don't really need it since it's a digital product. And you can't really run out of that. After you're happy with that, click on save. And now you have a new digital product on hand.